Oke guys, kali ini akan lanjutin video yang kemarin dari Mr. Bob. Aku dapat hadiah ini, kita unboxing dulu guys. Ini isinya apa, beneran atau enggak? Kita unboxing ya, kita buka. Oke guys, jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Karena dicas kali ya. Oke, dan ini apa? Ini kabelnya guys. Kabel ini buat cas. Kabel ini. Oke. Ini buat memori dan sebagainya. Kita lihat nyala apa tidak. Oke.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it.
A few moments later.
Okay.
But you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Fucking fight back.
Oh guys, bagus sekali untuk hari kalian. Oke, selanjutnya kita tes misi. Guys, sekarang mau nyalain dulu ya. Wow, keren guys, keren. Udah sia-sia beli Mr. Bob dari Lazada. Yang mau beli Mr. Bob di Lazada masih banyak guys. Oke, sampai di sini dulu ya videonya.